Problem solving. It might not sound as glamorous as leadership or communication, but problem solving is a hard skill to train. And that's why hiring managers are looking for it in virtually every company and position. So how do you show problem solving on your resume? I've got the answers. I'm Anna, a professional career writer here at Resume.io, and in this video, we'll break down the best ways to communicate your problem-solving skills to an employer. Problem solving is more than just a single skill. It's a category of adaptive and flexible skills. In a nutshell, it's the active process of overcoming obstacles or reaching new heights through analytical and creative thinking. In the professional world, it's also about addressing challenges that might hinder teams, companies, or even individual goals. Good problem solving can be broken down into these 7 steps: clarifying the problem, setting goals, identifying the cause, planning, executing, evaluating, and always leaving room for improvement. Now, let's get into some concrete ways to show problem solving on your resume. If the job description uses the words problem solving, then you should too, once or twice on your resume. But then make sure you weave in specific examples of these skills into your employment history bullet points. You can do that using the CAR method. Describe a challenge you faced at work, the action you took, and the positive result you achieved. Make sure to include numbers and statistics that show the real impact of your problem-solving skills. Some examples could be cost reduced, increased efficiency, or improved customer satisfaction. Here's an example for an IT resume. Implemented an innovative troubleshooting system that reduced software downtime by 30%, resulting in an annual cost savings of $150,000. And here's another example for customer service. Improved declining customer satisfaction score by 20% in 3 months by organizing workshops to educate team on the best practices for conflict management. Your skills section is another place to describe your problem-solving abilities. Make sure to include technical skills and soft skills from the job description to show the employer you're the candidate they've been looking for. And there you have it. These tips will help you more effectively demonstrate your problem-solving abilities on your resume. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date with our latest resume tips and expert advice for your job search.